Welcome back. State Assembly on Friday congratulated the crew of National Film Award winner Nathuya Kumpasar. Chief Minister Parsekar said government is ready to support and promote Konkani movies. The state has also planned a Goa Film Festival to provide a platform for Konkani films. Nathuya Kumpasar has won the title of Best Konkani Film during 62nd National Film Awards.
नाचोया कुंपासार हो एक खूब हिट जाल्लो असो मुवी आनी ह्या मुवीक 62व्या नॅशनल अवॉर्डान स्थान मेळ्ळें बेस्ट कोंकणी फिल्म म्हणून. तेच बरोबर जे ज्युरी आशिल्ले ते ज्युरीनी बेस्ट प्रोडक्शन डिझायन म्हणून ताका आनीक एक अवॉर्ड दिलें. आनी तेच बरोबर इतर कांय मुवीज आशिल्ल्यो तांचे वांगडा स्पेशल मेन्शनाचो मानूय बीन ह्या पिक्चराक दिलो.
हे कितें दाखोवन दिता की गोंयकार एक बऱ्यांतले बरे कलाकार. सेन्सरशीप म्हणल्यार केन्ना आसपा जायच ना. तियात्र आसूं दी आनी कितें आसूं दी, फिल्म म्हणटा ते गोंयचे फिल्म म्हणटा ते आनी आमी ताका फुडें वचपाक आदार करपाक जाय, सरकारान फुडें सरपाक जाय आनी तेन्नाच आनिकूय बरी फिल्म येतली.
आमी फुडल्याच आठवड्यांत एप्रिलच्या पयल्या आठवड्यांत इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवला नंतर नव्यान गोवा फिल्म फेस्टिवलूय आमी करतान एका टॅक्स एक्झम्पशनूय दिलां. सरकार अशा फिल्म करणाऱ्यांक सगळ्या प्रकारचे सवलती प्रोत्साहन सरकार दीत आसा. एका टॅक्स एक्झम्पशन दिल्लें आसा.
New entrants Kalyani Bharat FC held Dempo Sports Club to a goalless draw in the I-League on Friday. This was Dempo's 6th draw from 10 matches in the I-League so far. The 5-time champions thus find themselves in the 9th position with 9 points in their kitty. On the other hand, Kalyani Bharat are in 8th position with 10 points.
So lots and lots of familiar faces. They know each other very well. They know each other's game well. So should be an entertaining evening.
Sure, Devan. It is an entertaining evening because both the teams, Dempos and Bharat FC, needs a crucial victory today. And Dempos at present have only one victory with them, and I think so they have 6 points. So it is a crucial game for Dempos and for Bharat FC.
The last 5 games, that was against Mumbai FC, who suddenly have found a second wind of sorts. Their recent form has been so encouraging. Mumbai FC never considered among the top contenders. Expect till now. Peter Carvalho on to Lenny Rodriguez, was looking to slip this through, goes for a good potential situation for Dempo. Can they find the opening goal? Taken shot by Clifford. Back from Joy, but the ball just spinning a little out of his control. Still with the captain though. All the way back for Joy. Good first touch. Lovely teasing ball. Good save to begin with, and a follow-up shot which just goes over. Trevor Morgan wasn't in charge. It was Arthur Papas when they began this Hero I-League campaign. On the moment, this is a good move from Tapan Moiti down the right flank. Cutting back inside, looking to get this ball back in. Crossing opportunity, but just...
You see Stuart, he's a happy man. Because, if a coach gets a draw even...
And in the second half, they have created chances. They haven't been able to put them away. There it is. It is the end of that match.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.